各位好，欢迎收看本集的盐酥英语 crispyfriedabc， 我是讲师鹅肉面。今天呢，来到我们第22课洗衣精洗衣精灵。假设有人在疯狂砍你，衣服全都脏了，怎么办？赶紧用英文来洗衣服。Andy 正要去自助洗衣店洗衣服，但是在那边等着他的可能不只有洗衣机、烘衣机。
Do. Time to wash my dirty clothes. Ugh.
Hey, I'm the washer fairy. Listen up.
What the? Listen to what?
Here's what. I'm the washer fairy trapped inside this washing machine.
Aren't you supposed to be if they call you the washer fairy?
Don't try to be a smart ass. You think there's ma in my tone.
I'm the dryer fairy. And I'm the Cheeseburger Fairy. We are all trapped inside this damn machine.
You can't just fly away with your wings?
Nah, man. These wings are just part of our outfit. They're made out of fabric. We can't really fly. You watch too much anime. We are forced to wash and dry clothes day and night. We've been doing this for over 100 years.
Yeah! Mark Twain was still alive when we were enslaved. He's my friend.
But when I close the door, I see those clothes spinning normally. I don't see you guys washing them.
Don't be fooled by these glass doors. They are actually 4K Ultra HD monitors. It just plays fake videos of your clothes spinning. What's really happening inside is we wash till our hands get blisters like crazy.
How can I help you guys escape?
Here, use the spike club I made. I got the spikes from some leather jackets. They were very popular in 2012. Go break every washer and dryer's doors.
Break that TV too. It's always playing 大尾鲈鳗. So boring.
Freeze! You're under arrest!
Do you know why you are here?
You're not going to believe this, but I did all that to save the fairies.
Okay, fairies, huh?
I'm telling the truth. There were 3. No, 2 of them. They were called the washer fairy and the dryer fairy. Come on, I'm serious.
Alex, cuff this man and throw him in jail.
No!
The man who trapped them must be you. I knew you were lying the moment you said 2 fairies instead of 3.
No, I know the Cheeseburger Fairy. She was there. I helped her. I just didn't mention it because it was a laundromat and I...
Because you were the kidnapper.
Andy 真是正义，各位以后去自助洗衣店洗衣服的时候，洗到一半一定要把洗衣机的门打开哦，这样才不会错失拯救精灵的机会。接下来我们来学习更多有关洗衣服的重点单词。
Laundry.
Tired of washing fruits and vegetables? Hide them in the pockets of dirty clothes and send them to the laundry.
Washing machine.
Your washing machine has no fairy. It's just a steel box.
Dirtying machine.
Jesus, I accidentally put my clothes in the dirtying machine again.
Hanger.
Save money by making hangers yourself with paper clips.
Soap.
Put some soap in the hot pot to make sure all the ingredients are clean.
Iron.
To save time, iron your shirts during the spin cycle.
Question time.
Where should this dirty t-shirt go? 这件脏衣服该往哪边去呢？你该不会是选 washing machine 吧？一件衣服请手洗，浪费水。你以为你是贵族吗？聪明的你，答对了吗？叮。What about these？ 那这些衣服呢？真正脏的只有一件衣服，请你不要再偷懒了，偷懒教授。聪明的你，答对了吗？叮。What's this？ 这是什么？ 聪明的你已经死了。看完了今天的单元，想必各位都知道怎么洗衣服了吧？要是不想要洗衣服的朋友们呢，可以穿别人的衣服，或是穿不会脏的衣服。我在盐酥英语 crispyfriedabc， 我是讲师鹅肉面，我们下次见。